Hi, good morning. How are you? I hope you are doing good. So in today's video, we'll be talking about a tool that I developed, which is called Optimus Chem, in which you can input smiles, not this one, the smiles chemical format, and or any sort of SDF file, and you can predict based on the molecular properties like molecular weight, pKa, all other different kinds of properties like log P, C log D, etc. So you can predict whether it passes a certain criteria for different types of rules. There are 14 different types of rules, such as Lipinski, Veber, Pfizer. I can show you those properties. And it's a web-based version and also a pip package that you can install on your machine, and you can predict all kinds of properties based on the smiles or any sort of SDF files. Oh, and by the way, this is the pediatric hospital at Stanford. No relation to my video, but I'm just showing the background, which is the pediatric hospital. You can search about the history of that pediatric hospital that was developed by the owners or the CEOs of or the founders of HP. So this is all about today's video that I'm going to show, and let's get started. Thank you very much. The first thing that you have to do is visit my GitHub profile and go to my repositories, and then you will find this Optimus chemical analyzer, where you have all the instructions, and the repository name is Optimus chemical analyzer. The package name is Optimus Chem, and the command line is Optimus. While submitting to pip package, the Optimus name was not available, so that's why I have to rename it to Optimus Chem. So you can download as pip install Optimus Chem, right? And I have the web version of this Optimus chemical analyzer also. First I'm going to show you that, but before that I'm going to tell you what is the idea behind making this tool. So I found on LinkedIn about this particular post, where somebody has posted that if you want to screen your molecules, then which rule in library screening you will be using. So there are 14 different types of rules. For instance, this is for the oral, this is for the permeability and solubility, this is for drug likeliness, oral absorption, what are the properties and what are the criteria, and how it can be used for your library screening purposes. Okay, so this is the idea behind making this tool. But yeah, this is my web version of Optimus chemical analyzer, where what you can do is you can copy any smile that you have. So this is an example smile file, and I'm going to paste that particular smiles and then analyze compounds. So here you will see the 3D structure of that particular smiles, ball and stick model. Okay, and you can spin it as well, which is also great to visualize what compounds that you are screening. And you have these all these rules that you can see over here. So Lipinski fail, Weber pass, goes fail, Egan fail, etc. This is how you can use my web version of the Optimus. Now I'm going to show you how you can use it by using the pip command line. Okay, so cd Optimus chemical analyzer, and you have to create an environment, which is python 3 -m benv.venv, and then you can activate that environment and then install. So source venv bin activate, and then pip install Optimus Chem. I have already installed, so that's why it shows a requirement already satisfied, and the command line to get the help from Optimus Chem is Optimus --help. So if you type that, you will get all the command line options. So I'm going to clear it, and then So the first command is Optimus analyze. So you can paste this particular smile within the inverted commas, and then you just press enter. You will find the smiles notation over here. What are the molecular properties, okay, and which rules it pass or fail, okay. And also it will give you a summary, which is drug likeliness score, total violations, or whether it is a drug-like compound or not. Okay, this is one way to test your smiles. But if you have thousands of smiles, then that would be difficult to analyze one by one. So for that, I have this command line option called a report. Okay, so as you can see here in my test folder, I have this examples.smi. I have like 100 compounds. So I get to the test directory, and then Optimus report examples.smi. You have to give -o and rules.html or whatever. So for instance, analysis.html. okay, so if you press that, it will be done quickly, and the report will be saved to analysis.html file. Now you can open your HTML file in any web browser, and you can see 100 compounds, total compounds 100% success rate. That means it predicted all the properties. Here is your average molecular weight, log P, TPSA, drug-like fraction, and it will show you the pass rate or the fail rate, especially this one with the pass rate 100%, 43, something like that. And you have this comprehensive list of all the smiles over here, your molecular weight, log P, TPSA, and all these properties, whether it pass or fail. And this is purely based on the rules that I have shown you over here. Okay, I have taken these rules and make this Python package so that it will be easy for you to quickly analyze whether it passes that particular rule or it fails for that particular rule. Yeah, so for if you have a few compounds, you can test the web version just to have a quick glance of your molecules. Otherwise, you use my command line approach from this GitHub repository, and then you can install it as pip install Optimus chem, and that's it. You're good to go, right? And you can see what are the properties that are calculated, and how you can also use the APIs from this Python package, and you can install it on your programs, on your tools that you are using, and it can be very useful to you. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you very much, and make sure to check out my new channel, Omixium, and please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for your support. Thanks very much.